viewer, these are the cups here. We will make these cup designs. Explore the more changes. We have to find it. Also add another design to use there. We will add a paint on it. Keep editing the designs. Explore the changes. I will use another design. Let's have a structure.